Premiumbeat.com.
The aubergine skin I've just roasted up so it's slightly crisped as well, so it's almost the carrier for this meaty goodness.
Pass that over tray, please.
Premiumbeat.com.
And then what do you want for tomorrow? So I think tomorrow you're making this over with Friday, Thursday.
But I do like to cook. So I came back to the States and I was like, what I can do is I'm going to get the skill of cooking and it will take me all over the world. I will travel everywhere.
I think in these dishes based and inspired by what I would like to buy to eat myself, to buy for my child, to buy for and inspired also in Brazilian ingredients, in our diversity.
Io voglio la spadolina però.